Hello guys, Silver Butterflies here. Today our family go to event. It's gonna be a very interesting show, ballet, called Alice in Wonderland. This ballet we've seen before when our child was small, and probably she remembers something, but just the patches. So we want to bring the memories back and bring all these emotions and this unbelievable play with like fantastic music, with awesome decorations, and of course the dancers. I'm just in awe with anticipation, and for that I will review two perfumes today. The show is at 7. I hope I can make it before 7. So let's just start it. First perfume would be PETIT Robe Noir, and it's called Ma Première Robe. So it's like my premiere. And the creation embroidered with the most beautiful black notes in perfumery: black cherry, black rose, patchouli, and smoked tea. I spread it on my left hand. This is exactly what you want to be noticeable and to be looking good and to feel yourself better. Especially black rose and black cherry. Black rose is my favorite thing in life. Black cherry is what I love from my childhood, because I came from that area where it used to be a lot of cherries. In our area it was a lot of red cherries, and just a little bit more south they were bringing us to the market the cherries called black cherries, cherries from Tashkent. Let's just bring me my memory back. The cherries from Tashkent, it's Uzbekistan, and it's more warmer climate, and it was much more expensive than a regular cherry, because regular cherries everywhere, and black cherry, they were huge like this, succulent and so tasty, and the size of it, the color was something else. And of course with this all this smoky tea, in Russian variant they say it's black tea here, and in English variant it says smoke tea. See, it's a difference of translation. I do this both for you. They also didn't notice black notes in Fragrantica. They mentioned a little bit more than that, so I just read it for you. It's a floral fruity perfume, sweet, almond, nutty, and patchouli. The perfumer is Thierry Vasser. Black cherry is blended with almond, berries, and bergamot. The second twirl takes place as rose enters the stage. Finally, tonka beans appears, heading into almond seduction, highlighted by black tea for smoky concoctions. PETIT Robe Noir, Ma Première 2016, was launched in 2016. The nose behind it is Thierry Vasser, as I said. Well, I like it so much, and the picture here on a tester, and it's exact the same name, is like this, right? But the picture is in Fragrantica. It's a totally different. It's like something on a bright pink, different dress. So I highly recommend to try this. Don't pay attention on the tester picture, because in a store the bottle with the same name. It's pink with like a little pinkish reddish smears and a lady with a hat. That's what I'm talking about. Black cherry is something else. You must try this. And before I go, I show the choice of jewelry pieces of my clip-ons. I wanted to put it on for the concert, but I happen to stay on these ones. This is my favorite. They're all my favorite in a way. Like for instance, the stars, and I have a lines. One is somewhere here scattered, so I don't know. And of course, I show you my La Petite Black Noir. Oh, sorry, La Petite Robe Noir, ma premiere. Like this. Look at this. I walk. Can even do that. So you saw the moves. I'll tell you later another review. I just give you a little hint. So see you in a while. I put another black dress. Bye for now. I'm your silver butterfly.